Hey everyone, I hope all is well. So today we'll be doing May 2017 question 4a part 1. As always, the first thing we need to do is define the function, which we already have it here stated in the curly brackets. And the question is of f of 3 to find f of 3 plus f of minus 3. And once again, this is May June 2017 question 4a part 1 functions. Right, so let's begin. So the first thing we always need to do is define the function. So even though we have it written out already, it's always best to rewrite it because when we input the function, we want to see exactly what we're doing. So the first question here, well, the first part of the question asks us to find the f of 3, right? So we just have to input the function. They want us to find f of 3. So this means wherever we see x, we put 3. And we're just going to do this on the other side here. Wherever we see x, as we see it here, we're just going to put 3. Right? So, well, we know a third into 3 is 1, because we could cancel this and put 1. So that will be 1 minus 2, which we know is, of course, minus 1. Right? So the next part of the question is to find f of minus 3. Of course, once again, what we're going to do? Rewrite the function, because substitution is quite important. Right? So what we're going to do now is input the function f of minus 3. And what this means is that wherever we see x, we put minus 3. So we're going to put the minus 3 now in place of the x because that's the function we're dealing with here. And always bring down the minus 2 here. So we know a third into minus 3 is minus 1. So this will be minus 1 minus 2, which is minus 3. But let's not forget the question. The question asks us to find f of 3 plus f of minus 3. So I'm going to rewrite this here, right? And I'm going to input the variables that we used before. So as we said here, this was f of 3, and this was f of minus 3. So in putting that over here, we're going to put the f of minus 3 is minus 1. Sorry, f of 3 is minus 1, and the f of minus 3 is minus 3. So this here is minus 1 plus minus 3. And, well, we know this will be just minus 1 minus 3. And minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. And that's it. So this will mean f of 3 plus f of minus 3 is equal to minus 4. And that's the answer, and that should be correct. Hope you got that there. And that's the end of this part 1. Well, the next video will be part 2, which asks us to find x when f of x is equal to 5. So stay tuned for that.